Dear students, Mr. Gupta Ibrahim is here with your social studies topic, agriculture and livestock. In previous class, we have done the factors affecting agriculture. Now we will uh, go through the agriculture and livestock. Livestock farming. Agriculture is not only the growing of crops, as I have already told you in the previous session. It is not only the growing of crops but also the raising of livestock or the livestock farming, which includes the poultry farming, fish farming, and cattle farming. All these are the part of agriculture. Now, what is the cattle farming? Cattle farming is all-inclusive activity related to meat, animals care, housing, medication, feeding, and management. So all these animals are known as cattle, and their care, housing, medication, treatment, and to manage the animals, all these activities related to the cattle on the farm are known as the cattle farming or the part of the cattle farming. It is defined as all those aspects and activities related to raising of calves for meat purpose. So, uh, all these activities which are related to the raising of calves for meat purpose or for other uh, things, for example, for getting their skin and milk and dairy products, or for all these activities are taken to place on farms to take care of these animals. These are known as raising of calves. Calves means the youngs of cows or the cattle are known as the calves, जिसको आप उर्दू में बछड़ा भी बछड़े कहते हैं. So cows, bulls, oxen are the calves, sheep and goats are cattle. All these are the forms of cattle. Uh, so livestock is also raised on the farms. So first I want to explain what is mean by raising of animals. Raising of animals or the breed for their use or for pleasure, for profit, and often for food. So, cattle raising is an important economic activity for getting milk products, butter, ghee, meat, egg, and leather skins are the raw materials for the industries. We can also get their skin, and which is used as the raw material for industries. So this is the raising of animals, which is done on the agriculture or farms. So the picture shows you how the cattle are kept on the farm for raising. All these cows, goats, and sheep. Fish farming, another type of raising animals, the breeding, rearing, and transplantation of fish by artificial means is called in fish farming. So the fish are kept in the ponds on the farms, and they are taken care by their medication is done there, the transplantation is done there, and all these activities are taken place on the farms artificial by the artificial methods. So they are different types of or the species are kept on in the ponds where they are raised, and after they become mature, they are pour into the rivers or the seas for increasing their number and their species. Rearing animals, yeah, I know some of the students will also want to know what is rearing means. Rearing means to take care of animals and support up to the animals until they become mature on the farms. So they The breeding and rearing. Rearing means to support the animals until they come mature. To जैसे like we support the building, we erect the building until it gets up the upright position. So support, it is the support. Rearing is the support to animals, to take care of them, to manage them until they become mature. It involves raising fish and some kind of shellfish such as crab, lobsters, and prawn commercially in tanks or enclosures, usually for foods. So there are tanks and enclosures or the reservoirs or ponds on the farms built in which all these uh, types or the species of fish are kept, and they are breeded there and reared there into these tanks and enclosures, usually for food. These species are used for food. Look at the pictures. These are the fish, lobsters and crabs are shown in this picture. Poultry farming. Poultry are domesticated birds kept by humans for their eggs, their meat, or their feathers. Poultry can be defined as the domestic fowls, including chickens, turkeys, and ducks. So, all these are the forms of poultry which are raised on the farms like turkey, ducks, and chicken. Around the world, more than 50 billion chickens are raised every year. 50 billion is a very large quantity, very large number, which is raised every year around the world. So it is the most uh, common or important economic activity which can increase the economy of any region. Poultry birds. Look at the picture. All the poultry birds are shown in this, or how they are raised and reared on the farms. Hatcheries. A farm or the building in which the hatching of fish or poultry eggs is artificially controlled for commercial purposes. So hatcheries actually is the laying of eggs by fish and birds on the farms. So artificial methods are used to control the hatching or hatcheries of the fish and birds on the farms. So what are the main common points for this farming or raising of livestock? In 2009 to 2010, nearly 610 million birds were raised in Pakistan, only in Pakistan. This is also a huge number. During the same year, hens around Pakistan laid close to 12 million eggs. So they laid 12 million eggs around Pakistan. Around the world, more than 50 billion chickens are raised every year. 50 billion around the world every year. Every year, chicken is one of the world's most popular meat, and it is eaten commonly by the included by the people in their meals commonly throughout the world. More chickens are raised and killed for food than all other land animals altogether, because chicken is the common meal of the people throughout the world. A factory farm chicken lives A factory farm chicken lives an average of 42 days. Average age of a chicken which is farmed or raised on the farm is about 42 days. Cattle are also considered as the production animals and used for milk, cheese, leather, wool, and etc. All these, when we get the milk from these cattle, the other dairy products are also formed like ghee, butter, and creams, and their skin is used as the raw material for industries to make the leather, for example, leather, wool. is taken or supplied to the industries for making the other or manufacturing other products. So these are the main important points which are obtained from the livestock farming. So after doing all these livestock farming, you have to do these tasks in your copies carefully. And before doing this, I am again saying to you to please read the topic in your textbook also. Then try to do these questions and also choose the correct answer. There are some MCQs are given to you. You can do this in your copy also. You need not to take out the printouts. Just do this in your copies. Write down all the MCQs in your copy. So that's all for today's class. We will meet inshallah in next class. Allah Hafiz.